welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to convert our front grille from this one to this one. Let's go! Alright, so first what we're gonna do is we're going to remove all of the clips. There's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Yeah, there's like 9 clips here in the back, plus 4 here in the front. So yeah, so we have to remove all of those to remove this cover. Then we're going to access the bolts here. There's some clips here in the back. I think there's just clips, there's no bolts. And then we're gonna pull this whole assembly out to install our Heritage Grille. Alright, so let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is the Heritage Grille or the TRD Pro front bumper grille, and this is from Cartrimhome. By the look of this, it is good plastic, good quality, and as you see here with the new grille for the one that has TSS, we have this sensor in here, and this one has a cutout. This is not really plug and play. To this, we still need to do a minor cutting on this one so that we can perfectly fit this in here. All right, and this going to replace that in there. So again, I got the TRD Sport, which has the limited body. And yeah, so as you can see here, I already like blacked out the chrome pieces in the front of the car. Same in the back, I have that already. If you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below from Amazon. I also got this. Yeah, this is also from Amazon, I believe. Again, I'll put the link in the description below. So let's proceed and remove what we need to remove and work on this. All right. Okay, so you don't even need a tool for this. Just simply press the buttons or the clips and you can just remove them. All right, probably the one inside we need some tool removal. All right, let's go. I'm gonna simply lift this out of the way, and there you have it. So yeah, so we're gonna need some tool to remove the clips in here. I'm not sure if you can see that, it's a little dark, but yeah, so we're just gonna need some removal tools. So there's 4 of them that we need to unclip, and there's 2, 1 and 2 on the other side. All right, so yeah, very easy. Okay, so after we remove the clips, I'm gonna remove this radiator support. It's not a radiator support, it's a grill support. It's a 10mm, so we're gonna work on that. Then we're gonna force this one out. All right. Okay, so there's no clip inside to push down though, so all you need to do is basically force it here on the side to unclip it. Now we're gonna unclip the one here on the side and probably the one in the middle, not sure, but let's try this one. There you go. And then the middle part, there you go. trying to unclip the clips behind this emblem. There you go. So finally we got it out. What we need to do next is we're going to remove all of the screws here in the back. We're going to transfer the new grill to this. All right. One thing you need to do also is to wipe this clean. I'm going to wipe this one out with alcohol and make sure there's no oil so that the double-sided tape will adhere properly. All right, so we're gonna do that after, or we're gonna do that while we're removing the screws so that it will dry up. All right, so hey, there you go, successfully transfer it to the upper grill. So just put on the screws. It's not really perfect, at least with my copy here. Cannot put the screw on one side because it won't reach. The screw is too short. Yeah, but other than that, everything is screwed in. It will not go anywhere basically once it's clipped in. Yeah, so we're just gonna clip this one in here, and then going to start grinding. So let's see, just test fit. There you go. So yeah, so just put the clips back, put the screw for the bolt, and you're all set basically. Yeah, nice. I really like it. Yeah, so again, cartrimhome. Yeah, this is basically the closest one that I can get. I bought one from Amazon. It doesn't fit. Yeah, there's a issue with the upper grill here. Yeah, with this one, just that one screw. Other than that, everything is all right. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some trimming, just minor trimming on that one, just to accommodate the TSS sensor in here. All right. Okay. So we're just gonna test fit it. So it is basically centered because we already have like the cut out here in the bottom. So what we need to do is we just need to extend this and cut it. So we're just gonna put a tape in here basically just for our guide, so that we can cut this one out properly. It's not gonna be seen, so if you want it to be perfect, go ahead. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use my Dremel to cut this, but we'll find out, or if I can just use a knife. All right, let's go. All right, so here it is. I actually left it overnight. I added some more 3M tape, but I think the 3M double-sided tape I added is not enough. And then I put like cable ties on it to keep it in place. There's some gaps basically on this part. It's not really sticking or touching to anything at the back. Same in the bottom, it's not touching anything. But yeah, so I tried to pull it out because I want to add more double-sided tape, but having hard time pulling it. So I guess it is sticking well. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the letters on it. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is to attach the letters. So I wipe it down with alcohol just to remove any oil or anything in there, just to clean it up. What I'm gonna do next is to peel the backing of the double-sided tape and warm it up with a heat gun to activate the adhesive to make it stick well. right. All right, so there you go. I successfully install or stick those letters, the Toyota letters in there. Uh, I'm just not kind of happy uh, on how the backing are actually sticking there. It's a little dirty. Probably I'm gonna clean that up. I'm gonna remove them, and I will use some kind of liquid adhesive or something like that to uh, put them properly in there. But right now, if you're gonna look at it from this distance from the camera, you're gonna really see what I'm talking about, like the tape sticking out. For now, this is good. Again, there's some gaps in here. Again, this is not really made for the TRD Sport or the limited body. This is for the SR5 and the TRD Off-Road. Um, but yeah, so right now I'm happy that it's completed. I just need to put, basically that's it. So fingers crossed that this will not fly out when we drive it on the highway, but I don't think it's gonna fly because I tried to pull it. It's not, basically doesn't want to get pulled or doesn't want to be removed in there. So but yeah, so right now I'm happy. Let's see if the letters will fall. I have some extra sets of the letters. But yeah, so if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Again, thank you for watching.